الدرس الأول من سلسلة بناء المفردات. اليوم رح نتعرف على معنى واستخدامات سؤال How does that sound؟ واللي معناه باللغة العربية ما رأيك بهذا الاقتراح؟ أو كيف يبدو لك هذا؟ بعد ما تحضر الفيديو اضغط على اللينك اللي مرفق معه، نزل ملف PDF حتى تراجع الدرس في أي وقت وفي أي مكان، وحتى تطلع على نص اللغة الإنجليزية للفيديو إذا أنت واجهت أي صعوبة بفهمه. ويلا نبدأ. Vocabulary Building Lesson 1. How does that sound? How does that sound is a phrase. It is a friendly way to ask what someone thinks about an idea that you have suggested. The other person usually agrees by saying, "Yeah, that sounds good." Or simply, "Sounds good." Let's take a look at an example. We could visit your cousin at 6 and then have dinner together. How does that sound? Again, we could visit your cousin at 6 and then have dinner together. How does that sound? The last one, repeat after me and try to copy my pronunciation and intonation. We could visit your cousin at 6 and then have dinner together. How does that sound? The other person usually agrees by replying, "Yeah, that sounds good," or "Sounds good." Okay, that's it for lesson 1. Remember to download the PDF file that comes with this video to study the lesson anytime and anywhere. You could also take a look at the video caption inside the PDF file. See you later in the coming lesson.